and welcome back to Keeping It Creepy. I'm Kiha, and probably wondering why my face looks like this. If you're not, I question your sanity as well as mine, but I always question my sanity, so that's a moot point. The point is moo. Just got a nice little cucumber and pink salt mask on. Purify out all the toxins. We don't want to be toxic. And of course, when doing this, that's when I finally had the motivation to record the intro for this video, because I actually recorded this makeuping part like 3 weeks ago, so. But I forgot to do the intro to it. So, here we are, in my masked up glory. You're welcome. But yeah, for today's tutorial, I thought it would be fun to do a nice little clowny, painterly style makeup. Gonna be great. Hopefully. Maybe. I don't know. You be the judge. But without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to get our creep on. Let's go. So to begin our clowning around, we are just going to be basing our face out in a shade of white. This one just happens to be called Clown White. I know, how appropriate. And then we are going to be using some hot pink to draw our clownish triangles around our eyes. So just doing basically a triangle shape above our eyes and then a triangle shape below our eyes. Pretty simple, basic clown structure. Then we're just going to do a little red oval for our nose and give ourselves a nice blue mustache to make the outline of our mouth. Once we have that mouth outline, we're going to be drawing some golden yellow teeth because our clown does not have the best dental hygiene and should probably see a dentist. Next, we're going to be filling in our gum color, and I'm just using a more neutral pink than the hot pink that we used around our eyes, and filling in the rest of the mouth structure. Now we're going through and outlining each of those teeth in black. Next, we're going through and hollowing out little gum holes using some black eyeshadow and then making it deeper and darker with black body paint. Next, we're just going in with some white, and we are using that to add some lightness around the lips to give it some varying depth between the dark blue and the lighter blue. Then we're going to add some highlights to our nose to make it really gleam. And now it's time for a drink break of Sprite through a licorice straw, because why not? Next, we're going through and outlining our mouth and our gum lines with black. Pretty simple. And then we're going to go through and add some gum highlights with some white. Now we're going in with some hot pink eyeshadow to contour those eyes and to really make it pop. And then we're going in through with some white to highlight. Just giving everything a little bit more depth and dimension. And then we're shading around our nose and outlining it with black. Now we're going through on our lips and adding some white for highlight. And also going through and highlighting each of our teeth with white. Now we're taking some black shadow and contouring that around our eyes and then outlining our eye triangles with black. Pretty much we're outlining everything in black. Now we're going through with some brown eyeshadow and contouring all around our face. Once we get through with the brown shadow, we're going to go on top with some black eyeshadow and give that brown contour even more depth. Pretty much just doing layers of contouring. Now we're going through and adding some eye wrinklage. And there you have your finished look. You can now go out into the world and clown around. Hopefully you learned a thing or two about how to turn yourself into a spooktacular clowny face. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave any comments or suggestions for looks that you might want to see below. And remember to keep it creepy.